Internships are very beneficial. They can tell you what kind of jobs you love and, frankly, which kind you hate. It's like tiptoeing into adulting without the commitment. It's safe to say that finding an internship is hard, but it turns out one program is tougher to get into than Harvard University. According to Business Insider, Under Armour's internship program received more than 17,000 applications in 2018, and there are only 98 coveted spots. They did the math, and that's about 0.56%. Yep, not even 1% of kids get in. The site notes that even Harvard, an Ivy League school, has about a 5% chance of acceptance. Forbes reports that a survey conducted last year by Way Up named Under Armour the #1 internship for college students. The company finished ahead of Google and Facebook. The vice president of talent acquisition for the brand told Forbes, quote, "The Under Armour Rookie Program is our investment in the next generation of diverse talent that will lead the brand in the future." According to Business Insider, the Rookie Program runs for 12 weeks in the summer, and most roles are in Under Armour's Baltimore headquarters. I wonder if they accept applicants who graduated 10 years ago.